Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Fitria Rahmawati. I am your tutor of Introduction to Morphology and Syntax, and I would like to welcome you all on the online tutorial of Introduction to Morphology and Syntax. Dear class, during this semester, at least there are three main topics that will be discussed. The first one is English morphology, the second one is English structural syntax, and the last is English transformational grammar. And I hope that you enjoy the tutorial and engage in all activities and discussion, and don't forget to submit your assignment at the third, fifth, and the seventh week. Okay, dear ladies and gentlemen, please bear in mind that this online tutorial greatly contributes on your total score of Introduction to Morphology and Syntax for about 30%. I wish you all the best. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.